Literals are fixed values written directly in the code. For example, in int number equals 10, the value 10 is an integer literal. Integer literals can be written in decimal like 42, in hexadecimal like 0x2a, or in binary like 0b101010. Floating point literals represent numbers with a fractional part, such as 3.14 or 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23, as seen in double pi equals 3.14. Character literals represent single characters and are enclosed in single quotes, like a in char letter equals a. String literals are enclosed in double quotes, such as hello in string greeting equals hello. Verbatim string literals, like at c\users\name, are prefixed with at and allow for multi-line text and file paths without needing escape characters. Boolean literals are true and false, as in bool is active equals true. The null literal represents a null reference, shown in string name equals null, which means the variable does not currently refer to any object. These literals help define constant values and make the code easier to read and maintain.